Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Tinashe. I'm not sure if it's Tinashe or Tinashe hair, but it's from Tinashe hair. And today I'm working with the 13x4 HD lace front wig in the length 26 inches, 200% density. So it is really full. I love how full and how thick this hair is. So today I'm going to be showing you how I pluck the hairline, how I make the wig glueless, and also how I style the wig here and there. So just to show you guys, this is actually glueless, as you can see. So if you guys want to see how I made this wig glueless, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'm going to make sure to list all the links that you guys need to know down below. So please make sure you check for anything you'd like to know in the description box, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've already gone ahead to style the wig, and I've also plucked the hairline. So literally all I need to do now is just to install the wig, but I'm going to show you guys how I make my wig glueless without having to use any form of glue or, like, you know, hairspray or anything like that. So the first thing I like to do is to clip the straps at the back of the wig together. So this actually helps the wig to fit really secure on your head. So you guys can see I've just clipped the straps at the back of the wig. So the next thing I'm also going to need is elastic band. So I'm actually going to apply some elastic band to the wig just so I don't have to glue it down, basically. So this is what's going to help to make the wig glueless. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this around my head from ear to ear. But what you want to make sure you do is you're pulling as you're obviously going from ear to ear. So you guys can see this is what it's like without me pulling, but I'm going to pull this and measure this around my ear, and then I'm gonna cut it off right here. So this is how much elastic you need. I know it looks tiny, but trust me, this is gonna go around your wig and it's gonna fit your head perfectly. So if I go ahead to stretch it one more time, you can see it literally fits from ear to ear. Now I'm just going to go ahead and stitch this onto the wig. Before I stitch on the elastic band, I don't know if you guys can see, I've already cut off the sides of the wig. I've measured the wig to my head already, and I've cut off the sides. I've cut off the lace that I don't need on the sides. So now I'm just going to apply my elastic band, and now this should fit perfectly. And now I'm also going to stitch going back the other way. This is just to help secure the elastic band as much as possible. Okay, so I've applied the elastic band to the wig and this is what it looks like, as you can see. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to apply some powder onto the lace just to help it, you know, match my skin better. So now I'm going to go ahead and start cutting off the lace. You guys can kind of see how secure and firm this is on my head right now, so definitely don't need any form of hairspray. Yeah guys, as you can see, this is Glueless, literally. So I actually styled the hair like 2 or 3 nights ago, and the fact that, you know, the curls are still in and they still look this good, that shows that, you know, obviously the hair definitely really holds curls. And yeah, I'm just really happy with the hair. The hair's really full, like I said, it's really thick, doesn't shed, doesn't tangle. I'm so impressed. And also when it comes to the lace as well, the lace is really, really good. In love with this hair. So once again, this wig is from Tinashe Hair, but this is a 13x4 HD lace front wig. I got the wig in the length 26 inches, 200% density, so that explains why the hair is so full. Like honestly, I'm so in love with this. I love how big it is, I love how full it is as well. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure to list all the links that you guys need to know down below in the description box. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.